name's Whitney Schirkenbach. I have lived in Duluth, Minnesota for 5 years now, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Minnesota studying integrated biosciences, specifically microbiology. Duluth is situated right next to Lake Superior, which keeps the town right next to the lake kind of balmy. But for the past couple of years, the temperatures have been really oscillating. We've seen very, very cold temperatures where the whole lake froze over. And we've also seen warmer temperatures that have made it harder for those who like winter sports such as skiing or snowboarding or snowshoeing. It's also really tough. These undulating temperatures are really tough on the local moose populations. We've seen a drastic decrease in the moose populations within the last 6 years, and a lot of that is due to the movement of white-tailed deer into the area because of the landscape changes that are more anthropomorphic in nature, but also we're seeing some temperature shifts. Areas that used to be really cold and had good snowpack now are not as cold and don't have that snowpack, which is necessary for the moose to regulate their body temperature and thermodynamics. Specifically, I study sulfate-reducing bacteria, and these sulfate-reducing bacteria are found within anoxic soils. And a couple years ago, there was a giant flood in Duluth. I mean, the zoo flooded, and there was a seal swimming down Grand Avenue, and it was a mess. But what happened on more of a microbiological scale was the anoxic soils that host sulfate-reducing bacteria were flushed with oxygen. What did this do? This decreased the amount of methylated mercury in the soils. It also kind of changed the dynamics of the area and the aquatic ecosystems. So precipitation changes in the long run not only affect macro scale organisms such as moose, but micro scale organisms such as bacteria.